Extruded gearboxes are at the center, the core of your plastic manufacturing operation. National Gear Repair is a specialist when it comes to the plastic industry, plastic extrusions, plastic blow molding, plastic injection molding, thermal molding, and so forth. We repair a variety of OEM industrial gearboxes such as Aaron, Davis Standard, Flender, Coleman, Krauss-Maffei, Lufkin, NRM, Zambello, and more. We understand the demand for the plastic industry, as this is in high volume mass production. I mean, these guys are manufacturing maybe 1 million bottles per day, so these machines are literally working 24/7, which means the more the machines are working, the more wear and tear on the extruders. Our standard lead time for repairs is 4 to 6 weeks, but could be as little as 24 to 48 hours on an emergency rush basis. If we cannot find your gearing, especially in the timing that you need it, we will manufacture the necessary inner components to get your gearbox back up and running immediately. Rest assured that National Gear Repair warranties all their work, even rush repair work is warranted for 2 years from the date of startup. So we offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. If you decide not to have it repaired, well then we'll ship it back to you free of charge. If you have any questions about your gearbox repair, contact me directly at 909-374-6845 or send an email to Tony@nationalgearrepair.com. National Gear Repair, we are the leader in industrial gearbox repairs.